Dear students, our first chapter in biology is sensations and responses. Observe this picture. This picture is from your textbook. Children and other organisms have a variety of experiences. What are they? A child tasting mango. Another child washing her face with water. A little boy touching a snail. At that time, the snail withdrawing its body into the shell. The other two children tapping a metal box to produce sound. On hearing this, the birds are flew away. Butterfly suck honey from a flower. What are the factors to which children and other organisms respond here? Sweet taste of mango, touch, sweet taste of honey, sound, etc. Look at this picture. The plant is growing towards the light. Here, the light is the stimuli. The plant growth is towards the light is response. So, the senses that evoke response in organism are called stimuli. What is stimuli? The senses that evoke responses in organism are called stimuli. Do we recognize stimuli only from our immediate surroundings? Hunger and thirst are stimuli formed inside the body, aren't they? Examples of internal stimuli are hunger, pain, anger, blood pressure, sense of urination, etc. Look at this chart. You should fill this in your notebook. The definition of external stimuli. Stimuli formed from outside the body are called external stimuli. Examples of external stimuli are touch, sound, light, temperature, cold, etc. What is the definition of internal stimuli? Stimuli formed inside the body are called internal stimuli. Hunger, taste, pain, blood pressure, sense of urination are examples of internal stimuli. What is the name of organs that receive stimuli? Name the specialized cells that receive stimuli. The name of organs that receive stimuli are sense organs. Sound, ear, light, eyes, touch, skin, etc. Name the specialized cells that receive stimuli. That are receptors. Receptors are specialized cells that receive stimuli. Normally, responses occur when the impulse generated by the receptors on receiving the stimuli reach the brain. The nervous system control and coordinate all these activities. Okay, nerve system controls and coordinate all these activities. The main parts of nerve system are brain, spinal cord and nerves. The main parts of nerve system are brain, spinal cord and nerves. The nerve system controls and coordinates the stimulus, impulse, response, action. The nerve system controls and coordinates the stimulus, impulse, response, action.